Hello dear students. Today we will continue our chapter Little Girls Wiser Than Men. So, if you remember, in our last video we started the story and we have studied that the story is all about two little girls who are friends and they went into a small pool where the smaller one with intention splashed dirty water on the elder girl's frock. So, because of which she became annoyed with Malasha and ran after her for beating. And Malasha was frightened and she started to run from there. Suddenly, Akulya's mother was passing over there and scolded her daughter by seeing her daughter's dirty clothes. Now, let's see what happened next in the story. At this, Akulya's mother seized Malasha and struck her on her back. Malasha began to howl so that she could be heard all down the street. Her mother came out. Now, what happened? When Akulya told her mother that Malasha did it intentionally, then she, means Akulya's mother, seized Malasha, means she holded Malasha and beat her on her back. Now Malasha started crying so loudly so that her voice could be heard by all. Then what happened? Her mother, means Malasha's mother, came out. What are you beating my girl for? Said she. Then Malasha's mother asked Akulya's mother that she was beating her daughter why and began scolding her. One word led to another and they had an angry quarrel. The men came out and a crowd collected in the street, everyone shouting and no one listening. Now both were arguing and scolding each other and this became changed into a big quarrel. Now the men came out and a crowd collected in the street, everyone shouting and no one listening. All the people came out from their houses and gathered in the street and shouted each other without any reason and no one wants to listen each other. They all went on quarreling till one gave another a push and the affair had very nearly come to blows when Akulya's old grandmother, stepping in among them, tried to calm them. Now this little quarrel now converted into a big quarrel and all the people were started to push each other. And this affair, means this event was started, then Akulya's grandmother comes between them, try to calm them. Now Akulya's grandmother comes among them, try to calm them. It means try to appease them to settle down the dispute. And said, what are you thinking of, friends? Is it right to behave so on a day like this too? It is a time for rejoicing and not for such folly as this. She said, it is not right to behave like this. It is not a right time to behave like this and also on this occasion, means on the occasion of the Easter. She said, it is a time for rejoicing. Rejoicing means enjoying. It's a time of enjoying, not for doing such a folly. It means such a stupidity. Now, they would not listen to the old woman and nearly knocked her off her feet. And she would not have been able to quiet the crowd if it had not been for Akulya and Malasha themselves. Now, nobody wants to listen old lady and she is unable to stop their quarrel. She did not do anything if Malasha and Akulya had not done this. वो कुछ नहीं कर पाती और ऐसा होता भी नहीं अगर Malasha और Akulya कुछ नहीं करती. While the women were abusing each other, Akulya had wiped the mud off her frock and gone back to the puddle. During that time, means while women were busy in abusing each other, Akulya cleaned the frog and gone back to the puddle. Now what happened? She took a stone and began scraping away the earth in front of the puddle to make a channel through which the water through which the water could run out into the street. Now, what she did there? She took a stone and began scraping away the earth in front of the puddle. Means she started scratching away the ground with a sharp stone in front of the puddle. For what? To make a channel. Now what is channel? A passage through which water can flow, through which the water could run out into the street. Malasha joined her and with a chip of wood helped her dig the channel. Malasha also joined her and helped her in digging with a chip of wood. Just as the men were beginning to fight, the water from the little girl's channel ran streaming into the street towards the very place where the old woman was trying to pacify the men. Now the men of their families joined the ladies who were quarreling. Just then, water from the channel, which was dug by the girls, ran streaming into the street. Means moving into the street towards the place where the old woman, who is the old woman? Akulya's grandmother, was trying to pacify the men. Means to bring them in a state of peace. She was trying to calm them to stop fighting. The girls followed it, one running each side of the little stream. "Catch it, Malasha, catch it," shouted Akulya, while Malasha could not speak for laughing. Now the girls followed it, means the girls followed the moving water. Both were running on both the sides of the stream and enjoying it. One was shouting and another was laughing in joy. Highly delighted and watching the chip float along on their stream, the little girls ran straight into the group of men, and the old woman, seeing them, said to the men. Now both the girls were very happy and enjoying the floating of chip. Chip means the piece of wood in the water. They ran towards the group of the men, and on seeing them, the old woman told to men, "Are you not ashamed of yourselves to go fighting on account of these lassies, when they themselves have forgotten all about it and are playing happily together?" She told to men that you are ashamed of yourselves. Ashamed means felt sorry. For what? You all are fighting themselves on account of these lassies. Means because of these girls. Here on account of means because of, and lassies is the plural form of lass, and lass means girls. They have forgotten all about the matter and are playing together happily. Then why are you quarreling? Dear little souls, they are wiser than you. The men looked at the little girls and were ashamed. Both the girls are very wiser and smarter than you. Now the men looked at the girls and were ashamed themselves, because they felt that they should not fight because of these small children, and laughing at themselves, each went back to their own homes. And they started laughing at their silly mistakes. They realized their mistake and went back to their own homes. So now what is the message of this story, children? Children can be our best teachers if we are humble enough to receive their lessons. Now we have completed the story. So go through with the chapter also. Watch the video again and read the chapter twice.